Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have made one project that you can use in cold storage or greenhouse. Let's understand that outer look of this data recoder. In this setup we have used one HMI that has RS485 input. Here you can see the humidity and temperature sensor. This sensor has Modbus output. So this Modbus output will work as input for HMI. So you can see humidity and temperature parameters in this system. In this panel, 5 humidity and temperature sensor is supported. But for example purpose, we have attached only one humidity and temperature sensor. In this system, we have selected HMI, which supports pendrive data logging as well as the Ethernet output. From this output, you can download the data logs of the humidity and temperature sensor. So, here is the HMI. On the right-hand side, we can see different indications. We have power input of 24-volt DC. Besides that we have serial communication and we have Ethernet cable slot. On the upper side of this, we have pen drive and USB-B output. And we have SD card slot as well. This is SMPS 60-watt power supply. With that we have terminal blocks. And besides that we have RJ45 female connector socket connection. And underneath we have cable entries, where you can connect to the transmitter. And this is the humidity and temperature transmitter. So, now let's turn on the setup and we'll check the function of the data recoder. Now we'll turn on the power supply. Here you can see HMI is started. You can customize your logo as well. Now you can see the display. In display there are 5 rooms humidity and temperature data you can see live. Here you can see current date and time. This one is room 1 temperature and humidity data. According to this, you can see all 5 room data here. Now when you click on data record button, here you can see data is recorded at 5 seconds time. You can change this data logging interval also by clicking on this button. By entering the password, only the data can be erased. And the password is 123456. By clicking on the live graph, here you can see the live graph for data which is being recorded. Here you can see current room temperature graph and here you can see humidity graph. Now let's increase the humidity by putting hand on the sensor. Here you can see live humidity data is changing. Now let's demonstrate this system into laptop. First click on the Chrome and open new tab. Address for HMI1 ftp://192.168.1.66. Here you can same data screen as you were watching in HMI. Process is same as you have seen before in HMI. But this time you are watching in the laptop via Ethernet communication. As you can see, humidity live graph is increasing. Here you can same data screen as you were watching in HMI. Process is same as you have seen before in HMI. But this time you are watching in the laptop via Ethernet communication. Now let's understand how to download data. Set your PC's IP address. You need to open My Computer and select the address as address for HMI1 ftp://192.168.1.66. After login in you, the HMI folder will open. To download data, follow these steps. Go to UDisk folder. Open Datalog file in UDisk folder. Copy all data to computer from Datalog file folder. After copying data to computer, you need to open the software called Datalog tool as mentioned. After opening the software, there is an option to open the copied. You can open multiple file and then it can be downloaded or converted to CSV file using Save. As CSV. Please note that data can be converted to CSV page-wise only and not the file-wise. So you need to save all pages manually to get all data. Now drag the file in the center and click on the file. So, your data has been saved in the Excel. You can configure and analysis the data.